In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get Batmobile in GTA 5. As you can see, this is the Batmobile, and it's a very nice car mod, and you can install it. So I'm gonna show you how to install this cool car here. So first, I'm just gonna show you a representation of the car and the mod. So let me show you from outside. It has a door that opens sideways and giant wheels. So let's get started with the installation. So first you need to open a Google Chrome, then search for script hook V and download it. Now search for this mod and download it. And now you can leave and go to your downloads folder and go to your GTA 5 folder. So go inside this folder, copy this folder and this one, and paste. Then go inside this folder, copy these DLL folders, and then paste them. Now you can close these down. Now make sure you turn on launch options and you write down dash no battle I. Now run the game. So to activate the Batmobile, press F8, go to vehicle options, vehicle spawner, go to super, go all the way down, and you will see here a car named this one. You will see this one, so click on this one and press F8. Now you have the cool Batmobile. This is probably the coolest car in GTA 5. This is a very fast car too. It has it has 4 wheels in the back and 2 wheels in the front. So basically you could you could shove cars off the road with this. This thing doesn't stop. So if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more mods like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and that's it.